DEEBIGAI Ravikumar. Welcome to my channel. So Vinayagar Chathurthi is around the corner and everybody wants to decorate their Vinayagar in their style. So this is how I decorated my Vinayagar for this Vinayagar Chathurthi, and the things which I have used are commonly available in all your houses, and trust me guys, it just took only 10 minutes of my time. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. For the canopy like curtains, I have taken 4 pieces of the cloth and going to fold it in one side. So I have already measured and folded in one side. So I'm just taking it as a reference and going to fold remaining 3 materials also. So here I'm just going to staple it. So I'm not good with stitching, so I'm just stapling it. If you're good in stitching, you can stitch also. So this is an embroidered ring. I'm going to take the outer ring, unscrew it. So I'm just going to insert the curtains into this embroidered ring so that it will give the canopy like structure. After inserting the curtains, it is going to be look somewhat like this. So now I'm just going to tie a thread in between these curtains so that I can hang this canopy from the height, from the wall. So now I'm just adjusting with the height so that my canopy, like these curtains, will be in the same height, and I'm going to make a one huge knot and going to hang it up. I do had a nail in my wall so that I can hang it up easily. If you don't have a nail in that specific wall, you can use a command hook for that hanging purpose. After that, I'm making the pleats so that it can look like an actual curtain, and again I'm stapling it. So if you're good stitching, you can go with stitching also. I have taken pink color thread to tie it around. So this is how it is going to look. Now I'm just placing my canopy upside down and placing this dupatta inside out. So to secure this canopy and dupatta, I'm just placing the inner ring of the embroidery ring on the top of it, and I'm just going to screw it. I'm just going to unscrew and screw it. And this is how it is going to look. You just have to adjust with that dupatta so it will look cuter. So I do had this white pearl necklace, so I'm just placing it over that pink flower, and also I have this yellow flower clip, so I'm just placing it in the front of the curtains so that it will look cute. Yes, this is how I decorated my Vinayagar for this Vinayagar Chathurthi. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, and we will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye.